Students, will continue with the the chemical properties of alcohols and phenols. Chemical properties. Yesterday we discussed litmus test. We discussed the reaction of alcohols and phenols with other products and all that. Today we'll continue with some more things. Please concentrate. First of all, let me tell you, this is the distinguishing test for phenols. This is a phenol. AROH is a phenol. Phenols react with ferric chloride to form what? To form ferric, or we'll put it like this, ferric phenoxide, which is deep purple or violet or green color. Okay. This is the distinguishing test for phenols. What? That the phenols react with ferric chloride to form deep purple or violet or green colored compound, which is ferric phenoxide. What is it? It is ferric phenoxide. First point. Distinguishing test for alcohols is what? Alcohols are, they are sub-classified into primary with one OH group, attached to the carbon which has one neighboring carbon atom. Secondary, OH attached to that which has two neighboring carbon atoms. Tertiary, OH attached to that which is that carbon which has three other neighboring carbon atom. Students, how you can distinguish the primary, the secondary and the tertiary alcohols? By making them react with this typical reagent which is called the Lucas reagent. What is Lucas reagent? It is a reagent consisting of HCl and ZnCl2. Hydrochloric acid and zinc chloride together form a very important reagent which is called as Lucas reagent. Reaction of Lucas reagent with alcohols is the distinguishing test whether that alcohol is primary, secondary or tertiary. Like primary alcohol react with Lucas reagent to form alkyl chloride, but the alkyl chloride formed is very slowly, and it is necessary that the primary alcohol needs to be heated. Okay? Point number 1. Point number 2. Secondary alcohols react with Lucas reagent which is HCl and ZnCl2. Secondary alcohols also react with Lucas reagent, but the reactivity is a bit faster to form alkyl chlorides. The solution turns turbid. Turbid means white kind of mixture. Turbid at a slow rate. Whereas tertiary alcohols react with Lucas reagent very quickly to form rapid alkyl chloride. I repeat, reaction of alcohols with Lucas reagent distinguishes whether the alcohol is primary, secondary or tertiary. Primary alcohol reacts with Lucas reagent to form alkyl chloride, but very slowly and needs to be heated. Secondary alcohol reacts with Lucas reagent to form alkyl chloride. The reaction is a bit faster. Turbid solution, alkyl chloride turbidity शुरू होता है. Tertiary alcohol react with Lucas reagent faster to form alkyl chlorides. The reaction is very quick and the solution turns turbid quickly. That is the order of reactivity here. Now concentrate. This is the distinguishing test for alcohols. Students, I'll rub this because I need to explain to you everything here. This is the distinguishing test of phenols. Phenols react with ferric chloride to form deep colored either violet, green or purple ferric phenoxide. Distinguishing test for phenols, and we studied the distinguishing test for alcohols. Students, acidic character of alcohols and phenols. एक point सांगते, actually alcohols are neutral in character and phenols are slightly acidic. Why? Because of the breaking of OH bond. Ionization of OH group. ह्याचा आयोनायझेशन मुळे अल्कोहोल्स आर न्यूट्रल इन कॅरेक्टर. हाउ? ROH alcohol in aqueous form means alcohols dissolved in water to form a typical ion which is called the alkoxide ion. नीट आहे का? Why alcohols are neutral in character? Reason: Alcohols in aqueous form result in the formation of alkoxide ion here. Alkoxide ion is destabilized by the inductive effect of the alkyl group. हे अल्काइल ग्रुप आहे ना, हे इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनर आहे. हे इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनर कोणाला करतं? OH ला. त्यामुळे हा डिस्टेबिलाइज होतो. अल्कोक्साइड आयन इज डिस्टेबिलाइज अँड हेन्स इट डजंट अंडरगो आयोनायझेशन. कारण त्याची स्टेबिलिटी डाऊन होते, अनस्टेबिलिटी वाढते अँड हेन्स इट does not undergo ionization in water and therefore they are neutral in character. I'll repeat, alcohols in aqueous form an alkoxide ion. This alkoxide ion is destabilized by the inductive effect. Inductive effect म्हणजे काय? Electron donating nature of R, alkyl group. Alkyl group electron donate करतो कोणाला? OH ला. त्यामुळे अल्कोक्साइड आयन डिस्टेबिलाइज होतो. डिस्टेबिलाइज झाल्यामुळे इट डजंट अंडरगो आयोनायझेशन इन वॉटर अँड देअरफॉर अल्कोहोल्स आर न्यूट्रल इन बिहेवियर. whereas phenol, if you look into phenol undergoes resonance stabilization. तुम्ही म्हणाल रेझोनन्स स्टेबिलायझेशन म्हणजे काय टीचर? हे बघा, लुक हियर. phenol takes up water molecule, H is lost, hydronium ion. हा नेगेटिव्ह आयन is developed. हा फिनॉक्साइड आयन तयार झाला. कळलं? फिनॉक्साइड आयन डिस्ट्रीब्युशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स स्टार्ट. नेगेटिव्ह, हा आता नेगेटिव्ह, इथं डबल बॉन्ड, नेगेटिव्ह, मेटा, पॅरा. this is meta, para and this is ortho position and finally we get this what? A resonance stabilized phenoxide ion. This resonance stabilized phenoxide ion, students, काय होतं माहिती का? It undergoes ionization in water. हा जो stabilized phenoxide ion आहे ना, हा it undergoes ionization in water and therefore phenols are slightly acidic in nature. How are they? They are slightly acidic in nature. I repeat, alcohols form alkoxide ion which is destabilized by the electron donating alkyl group, whereas this is a stabilized form, a resonance stabilized form of phenoxide ion which undergoes ionization in water and therefore they are slightly acidic in nature. कळते? जे वॉटर मध्ये आयनाइज होतो तो ऍसिड, जे आयनाइज होत नाही तो न्यूट्रल इन कॅरेक्टर. ओके, सो आय फिनिश्ड दिस पार्ट. विल बिगिन विथ दैट पार्ट हियर. आई रब दिस सो दैट विल नॉट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड फॉर यू. प्लीज कॉन्संट्रेट. Continue here. Esterification reaction. Easy. It is the reaction of alcohols and phenols with carboxylic acid to form ester. I repeat, the reaction of alcohols and phenols with carboxylic acid to form ester is called as esterification reaction. First point, it's not necessary that you have to use carboxylic acid. We can use alkyl halides. We can use even acid anhydride. Acid anhydride म्हणजे वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल ऍसिड मधून काढायचं. I repeat, alcohols or phenols react with carboxylic acid oblique alkyl halides oblique acid anhydrides to form water. ठीक है? So alcohols or phenols react either with carboxylic acid or alkyl halides or acid anhydrides to form what? Ester. The reaction is called as esterification reaction. Simple common language मध्ये it's reaction of alcohols and acids to form ester. ठीक है? You can use alkyl halides, you can use acid anhydride also. The reaction is called as esterification reaction. What is esterification? Reaction of alcohols or phenols with carboxylic acid or alkyl halides or acid anhydride to form esters. Example, this is alcohol. It reacts with carboxylic acid, okay, to form this typical compound. What is this typical compound here? Ester. R alkyl, R O, C double bond O, R dash. हां, यू कॅन टेक मिथाइल, इथाइल, ईस्टर अँड ऑल दॅट, आपल्याला नेम करता येतं ते. ठीक आहे. फिनॉल्स react with carboxylic acid to form an ester. With the elimination of water molecule, that's a different story. Alcohols react with what? This is acid anhydride, students. मी खाली लिहिलंय. Alcohols react with even acid anhydrides. Acid anhydride हा R dash C double bond O C, दोन कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड मधून एक वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल काढायचं. हे दोन कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड्स आहेत ना, त्याच्यातून एक वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल काढायचं. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अन ऍसिड अनहायड्राइड. सो अल्कोहोल्स रिएक्ट विथ ऍसिड अनहायड्राइड टू फॉर्म व्हाट? ईस्टर and a very important compound, that is carboxylic acid. Because two carboxylic acids, removal of water molecule forms acid anhydride. So alcohols react with acid anhydride to form ester and carboxylic acid. Similarly, phenols react with acid anhydride. This is phenol here. React with acid anhydride to form a ester and a carboxylic acid. कळता? This is the reaction, esterification reaction, where we are reacting alcohols and phenols with acid anhydride. Next, alcohols react with acid chloride, but the reaction is carried out in the presence of a catalyst which is called as pyridine. Pyridine कडे लक्ष द्या. पाय म्हणजे काय? 5 कार्बन ॲटम असलेलं रिंग. पायरिडीन 1 2 3 4, ह्याला पायरान रिंग म्हणतात. पायरान रिंगचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, आता बेन्झीन कसा 6 कार्बन ॲटमचा रिंग असतो ना, पायरान 5 कार्बन ॲटम रिंग, फ्युरान 4 कार्बन ॲटम रिंग, like that. This is pyran here. So alcohols react with acid chlorides, no doubt, acid chlorides to form ester, but the reaction is carried out in the presence of pyridine. Pyridine is a derivative of pyran. Pyran is a 5-membered carbon ring. Similarly, phenols react with acid chlorides. Phenols react with acid chloride, carboxylic acid chloride to form ester. ठीक है? This is one. Students, very important reaction, that is the acetyl group. फक्त या रिएक्शन कडे बघायचं. मी आता हे एवढं सगळं रब करते. Esterification reaction, reaction of alcohols of or phenols with either carboxylic acid or acid anhydride or acid chloride to form esters is esterification reaction. Students, I will tell you something regarding acetyl group now. थांबा, हे सगळं आपण रब करूया. Students, what is acetyl group? CH3CO group is called as acetyl group. Or it is acetate group attached to the ester. Acetate group attached to the ester is called acetyl derivative of ester. ठीक है? What is acetyl group? CH3CO हा ग्रुप म्हणजे acetyl group और acetyl derivative. Students, aspirin हे एक important medicine आहे, which is prepared by what? Aspirin is a very important medicine which is prepared by the, what is this here? Acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride, salicylic acid. हे सॅलिसिलिक ऍसिड. सॅलिसिलिक ऍसिड म्हणजे काय? फिनॉलिक ग्रुप अटॅच विथ कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप, दोन ग्रुप्स असतात, एक फिनॉलिक एक OH ग्रुप आणि एक COOH ग्रुप. The benzene ring attached with COH and OH simultaneously is called as salicylic acid. Salicylic acid reacts with acetic anhydride, acetic anhydride to form what? हा तुमचा acetyl group. Acetyl group attached here phenolचा एक हायड्रोजन एटम काढलाय and replace it by acetyl group to form acetyl salicylic acid. This acetyl salicylic acid in common is called as aspirin. Aspirin, which is a medicine. So what is aspirin? It is acetyl derivative of salicylic acid, is called as aspirin. Aspirin contains this acetyl group or acetyl derivative of any ester. That's it, acetyl derivative है तो. Are you okay? So acetyl group, compound containing acetyl group is one such compound containing acetyl group is aspirin. Aspirin, what is aspirin? It is acetyl derivative of salicylic acid. What is salicylic acid? Salicylic acid is a benzene ring attached with hydroxylic group as well as carboxylic acid group. Both they react with acidic anhydride to form acetyl salicylic acid. Acetic acid is a very important byproduct here. This is your acetic acid. Acetic acid. That's it. Okay students, for today I will stop at this. We'll take some more reactions. So day after tomorrow the topic will get over. We'll start with aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. ठीक है, चलो we'll stop for today.